Welcome students to CATG online classes, and this is a special class of English. Special because we are going to take up a very important thing, that is the paper pattern and the curriculum for class 10th. Before proceeding with the first poem of this syllabus, we have already done the first story, that is a letter to God, and if you have not seen it, you can check it on CATG channel on YouTube. So we have already taken up that. Now before we proceed to the further studies of poetry and other stories, it's very important to understand the paper pattern for this new session. Why is it so important? Because यूजुअली स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं कि वो प्रीवियस ईयर का जो पेपर्स होते हैं उनकी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं टू गेट एन आइडिया ऑफ हाउ दे हैव टू गो अबाउट एंड व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स विल बी आस्क्ड इन व्हाट पैटर्न इट विल बी आस्क्ड. But this year there is a major change in the pattern. Okay, so it is very important that you become aware of the new paper design for the session 2021. Okay. Now, as you know, you have already studied class 9th and you already know that 80 marks is the annual exam paper and 20 marks are allotted for internal assessments, and altogether a subject has 100 marks in 1 year. Okay, so English paper of board exam, if we take up, now since board pattern will be followed throughout the year in various tests and exams, so English paper of board exam, the written paper will be of 80 marks. The written paper will be of 80 marks. Okay, so English will be of 80 marks. Now, in how many sections will it be divided? It will be divided the same way it was in the previous year. That means in 3 sections. So section A is your reading section as it was last year. Okay, section A will have question 1, which is an 8 marks question and it is MCQ. Okay, MCQ होगा ये. That reading section will have MCQ in the first one. Okay, question 2, and there will be 8 questions also in this. Okay, question 2 will be 12 marks question. So what will be there in this? First 4 questions will be of 2 marks each, that is 8 marks, and these will be short answer type questions. Short answer type. Okay, next, the next 4 marks will come from 4 questions of 1 mark each, that is 4 marks, and these will be MCQ. And what are you actually tested in these? These short answers will be based on the passage, of course. MCQs will be based on the passage, but basically test your vocabulary. Now, what is vocabulary? That is the word power, that is word meanings based on the passage, or synonyms, antonyms. Okay, you have to supply one word for a sentence, something like this. Okay, so this is the second part of question number 2. So how many marks altogether we have here? 12 plus 8, that means reading section is of 20 marks. Okay, now comes section B. Section B is writing and grammar. Okay, now we start with question 3 here. Question 3 is formal letter. Okay, now formal, till last year this formal letter was of 8 marks and it was the shorter writing of the 2. Now what is formal letter actually? Is it letter to the editor? No. Letter to the editor is only one type over here. It can be a letter to the editor, or it can be some complaint, or it can be a kind of letter to the municipal corporation chairman. Okay, or it can be placing order of something. Okay, bulk orders, like so if you're a librarian, you have to consider yourself as a librarian and you have to place order for the books in your library. That comes under. There are various topics that can be included in this placing order. Or there can be a letter based on inquiry. Okay, so various kinds of letters are possible under this heading. That means inquiry can be there, placing order. Now, inquiry can be regarding some course that you have come across. Suppose an advertisement you came across in the newspaper or somewhere else, and you wrote a letter to that institution to find out about the course. Now, we shall be taking up letter writing as a complete lecture with all the types discussed in details. There can be many more types of this. So formal letter is one writing topic under the writing section. And how many marks does this question carry? This question is of 10 marks. This is noteworthy because till last year your question number 3 was of 8 marks for both classes 9th and 10th. But now question number 3 is of 10 marks. Okay. Now next comes your, till last year question number 4 was a story writing, a story based question. But this year that also has changed and it is analytical writing. Analytical writing or analytical report kind of you have to write. And what on, you might be given a map or a chart, some report or line graph or something like this, and you have to analyze. It can be a report also, or it may be a report, you can say, and you have to analyze this, and then you have to write a paragraph on that, a description of that. Okay, not a single paragraph but a description, a long description. How many marks does this question carry? This again is of 10 marks. We will be taking up in our later lectures this analytical writing also as a complete topic. Okay, so you can see that writing section in itself is very comprehensive in class 10th. In class 9 things were easier as the topics were rather simpler, like description writing, story writing. You didn't have to do much of practice or reading for story writing kind of. If you have a, if you are naturally creative, you can write on your own. Otherwise also story writing is one of the easiest kind of writing topics. Similarly, diary entry was also very easy. But this analytical writing and this formal letter, both of these questions require a lot of practice, solving a lot of sample questions. Okay, so we will be taking up writing section as a completely independent topic in one of the lectures which will be coming later on. Okay, now this is about the writing section. So 10 marks plus 10 marks. Okay, now what is the next in this? Next is, we can write over here, question number 5. So question number 3 is writing, 1 and 2 reading, 3 and 4 writing. Now question number 5 is grammar, and it is a cloze test or gap filling or you can say kind of something editing. All these things you have already done in class 9th. This is nothing new for you. Okay, and what are the marks allotted? It will be a 4 marks question. 4 marks. Okay. Till last year, if you remember, till last year, you had writing of 18 marks and grammar of 12 marks. 3 questions, 4 marks each. 1 mark के उसमें 4 parts होते थे. This year that has changed completely. Now as you all know already, one more thing कि 9th onwards जो grammar के questions होते हैं वो ऐसे topic wise नहीं पूछे जाते हैं अलग अलग कि पैसिव वॉइस का ये क्वेश्चन होगा, प्रेपोजिशन का ये होगा, टेंसेस का ये होगा, ऐसे अलग अलग टॉपिक वाइज क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछे जाते हैं. ओके, these questions are integrated और context based grammar. This is called as कि जो पूछा गया है उसके context में आंसर देना है. So integrated questions होते हैं. However, the marking has changed this year. The marking pattern has changed. This particular question, that is question number 5, is of 4 marks. Now question number 6 is of 6 marks. And what is there? It is dialogue writing or it is reporting a dialogue. Reporting a dialogue. So dialogue writing or reporting a dialogue. And how many marks does this carry? It carries 6 marks. So complete change in pattern. Till last year it was 4, 4 and 4. Now this year it is 4 plus 6 for grammar. So grammar has been reduced from 12 to 10 marks. Okay. Now what is this dialogue writing? Dialogue writing is pretty simple. Many of you might have done this in junior classes. If you have not, then also needn't worry, because dialogue writing means there will be a dialogue given with some missing lines in between, and based on the previous line and the next line you have to fill in the missing line. This is not very difficult. What requires more practice is the reporting of a dialogue. Reporting a dialogue. Now what is this reporting a dialogue? Simple words, it means reported speech in dialogue form. अभी मैंने बोला कि ग्रामर के टॉपिक बेस्ड क्वेश्चन नहीं होते हैं, दैट यू ऑलरेडी नो, लेकिन एक टॉपिक ऐसा है जिसका क्लियर कट टॉपिक बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, एंड दैट इज रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. So this makes reported speech as a very very important topic for grammar, even for class 10th. Okay, and as you can see, the marks allotted are also quite a good number. It is, that is 6 marks allotted. So it's a good portion of the total marks of the writing section and grammar section, that is section B. Out of 36 marks are allotted for a single topic of grammar, that is reported speech, which simply means this needs a lot of practice and a complete lecture on reported speech. Okay, which you will surely get, okay, in the further lectures. So this is all about section B. Let's total the marks. So 10 here, 20, 24 and 30. So this makes section B of 30 marks. Last year also it was the same. The total marks were 30, and so is it this year. But then the way the division of marks has changed. Okay. Now 30 plus 20, so we have already completed 50 marks. Now we have still 30 marks left to talk about, and that is definitely allotted to the literature section. Now let's see that. Is based on 2 books. As it was in class 9, there were 2 books in class 9. One was the main literature book, and the other one was the supplementary reader. So section C we have reached now, and that is of course literature. And the marks allotted to literature is 30. So literature carries 30 marks. And how? We had 1 and 2, question 1 and 2 for reading, question 3 and 4 for writing, Question 5 and 6 for grammar. So now we have to start from question 7 here. Question 7 is extract based question. This was there in class 9th also, if you remember. Question, लेकिन वो question 8 होता था till last year. This is now question 7. Extract based question है. It can be from a drama, poetry, prose, anything. Marks division is what you need to notice क्योंकि उसी में major change हुआ है. It will have 2 questions of 2 marks each, which makes it 4 marks. टिल लास्ट ईयर ये 4 क्वेश्चंस होते थे एक एक नंबर के और टोटल 4 मार्क्स होते थे, बट दिस टाइम इट इज 2 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ 2 मार्क्स ईच एंड विच इज टोटल 4 मार्क्स. नेक्स्ट इज द शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप. शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस. वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट कि ये जो 2 क्वेश्चंस 2 मार्क्स के हैं, सो नाउ दे आर नो मोर VSA, दैट मीन्स वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर्स नहीं है. यहां पे भी अब शॉर्ट आंसर्स ही एक्सपेक्ट किए जाते हैं. एग्जामिनिंग से शॉर्ट आंसर ही एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है इसमें. सो शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस हैं. देयर आर 5 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ 2 मार्क्स ईच विच मेक्स इट 10 मार्क्स. ओके, 5 क्वेश्चंस हैं 2 मार्क्स के. 3 क्वेश्चंस इसमें से 3 क्वेश्चंस will be from your first flight. जो लिटरेचर की पहली बुक है, we had talked about it in the first lecture, that is A Letter to God. If you have not seen it, you can get it on the CatG channel on YouTube. So first flight के 3 questions होते हैं और 2 question होते हैं. दूसरी जो supplementary reader है, that is Footprints Without Feet. Footprints Without Feet के जो है वो 2 क्वेश्चन होते हैं. ऑल टुगेदर यू हैव टू डू 5 क्वेश्चन. देयर इज इंटरनल चॉइस. नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन ज्यादा होते हैं, उनमें से 5 करने होते हैं, लाइक यू हैड इन क्लास 9. दिस इज वेरी सिमिलर टू क्लास 9th पैटर्न. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 इज अ लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन. लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप. And how many marks does it carry? It is a single question of 8 marks. One single question of 8 marks. Okay, and this one question of 8 marks, from which book does it does it come from? It comes from First Flight. It is based on First Flight. Okay. How about the last question? Again, it is a long answer question. This is also of 8 marks and it is based on footprints without feet. This is your supplementary reader. Footprints Without Feet. Okay. So Footprints Without Feet and First Flight, ये दोनों से 2 लॉन्ग आंसर्स होते हैं. लास्ट के 2 क्वेश्चंस, एंड दीज 2 क्वेश्चंस रिक्वायर एनालिटिकल आंसर्स. दे आर एक्स्ट्रापोलेटरी क्वेश्चंस बियॉन्ड द टेक्स्ट. जाके अपने वर्ड्स में भी लिखना होता है. अपने वर्ड्स में मतलब अपने ओपिनियन को एक्सप्रेस करना होता है. अपने वर्ड्स में तो सभी आंसर्स लिखने हैं. अपने ओपिनियन, योर ओन एनालिसिस, योर ओन verdict on that, you need to write it. It should be based on the text. The answer has to be based on the text, but it must carry your own opinion and your own way of writing and analyzing things. Okay, so these 2 questions you must remember to divide them into paragraphs. It is very important to divide the long answers into paragraphs, and the paragraphs should be logically connected. Okay. So this is all about the paper pattern. We will be taking up, as I have already told you, we will be taking up writing and grammar as 2 complete independent lectures. Okay, so stay tuned to this channel. Keep checking your videos every day. You will be getting regularly new videos. And till we start the first poem of this first flight book, that is The Dust of Snow by Robert Frost, revise your previous topics, go through the paper pattern, see which areas you need to work upon, and utilize this lockdown period to work on your weaknesses and convert them into your strength. Okay, so till we meet in the next lecture, children, take care, stay home, stay safe.